I unintentionally ended up creating this makeup look using all the Mars products I have, which I have reviewed in this video. So let's get started. चलो फटाफट बताती हूँ इनमें से कौन सी चीज़ें आप खरीद सकते हो। पहला है ये जीरो ब्लेंड फाउंडेशन। इसमें शेड रेंज बहुत कम है और बहुत ड्राइंग है स्किन पे। सो आई हैव थोड़ा सा ड्राई स्किन, सो इट्स नॉट फॉर मी। नेक्स्ट इज दिस कैंसल कंसीलर एंड ओ माई गॉड, इट इज सो गुड। Blends so easily, it's too good. 8.5 out of 10. And of course, I have used Mars concealer brush to blend out this concealer, and according to the price range, this brush is amazing, like too good. How can we not include Mars Love Track Lip and Cheek Tint? It's amazing. मैंने shade range में गलती कर दी है, but this is too good. Like I have applied it on my cheek and see that natural flush of color. It's comfortable on your lips also and it doesn't feel drying. Mostly tint के साथ क्या होता है, वो थोड़े से dry कर देते हैं lip को क्योंकि water based होते हैं, but it does not do that. I love it. I wish I could have it in all the colors possible. So I would suggest you to buy this one according to your skin tone for that no makeup looks. अब इसको मैंने पेयर किया है मार्स के लिप लाइनर से बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स। मतलब मार्स के लिप लाइनर के लिए मुझे कुछ कहने की भी जरूरत नहीं है। इट इज सो चीप एंड सो गुड इन क्वालिटी। आई थिंक इट मेक्स अ गुड लिप कॉम्बो। So next is this Mars lip drip mist, and I do not like the packaging of this product because it spills, like you can see it. And अगर मैं इसको अपने लिप्स पे भी लगाती हूँ ना, मैं हर बार लगाती हूँ और ये ऐसे साइड से ब्लीड होने लगता है। So I don't know why, but I just don't like the formula also, so it's a no for me. And now it's the best product from Mars which I've bought till date, which is Mars Matte Mousse Lipstick. It's not transfer proof, but it makes your lips look so good and fluffy. Lovely product, I would say. I would suggest you to buy it. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to use, I need to apply lip liner for that because it's a lip oil. So yes, now we are going to talk about Mars lip oil. So lip oil अभी थोड़े टाइम में ही इतना ट्रेंड में आया है and I think boys don't even know about it because once I talked about lip oil in front of a boy, he was like, lip oil? Now that's also a thing? So I think price range के according Mars का lip oil is pretty good. It keeps your lips hydrated and gives you a good shine. So that is it for the Mars product guys. मेरे पास इतने प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, अभी और नहीं खरीदे। Although मेरी चेकलिस्ट में है कुछ चीज़ें, but for today I think these are the products which I love the most. And the products which did not work so good for me are the Mars Zero Blend Foundation and Mars Lip Drip Mist. So these two are thumbs down for me and the rest are too good. Oh hey, where are you going? Stop right there. Sit down. I have more in the video. So I'll show you some more products that I've got from the Pink Friday sale of Nykaa. And the products are from Swiss Beauty. It's not a lot, it's just 3 of these products which I'll show you quickly. So this first product is this eye pencil in the color pink. I did not get to choose the color because it was a free product. So let's just see if it works on Indian skin tone, because pink is a risky color for me. I don't think it's that visible on my eyes, but it's just visible. It's not that bright. वैसे you can see कि ये हाथ पे तो काफ़ी bright दिख रहा है, but not on the eyes. Okay, so this next product is something which I'm extremely excited about. It's a blush. So it's a cream blush, and oh my god, just look at that. How gorgeous it looks. I am in love. I mean, just look at that flush of pinky glow on my cheek. It's too good. I'm loving it. I'm gonna use it every morning. Okay, so I'm trying to find a perfect red lipstick for my skin tone, and ये मैंने वही सोच के लिया है कि let's try this one. And this looks like MAC का एक लिपस्टिक की रेंज है, and ये उसी की कॉपी लग रही है. भाई ये रेड कलर कितना ब्राइट है. आई एम काइंड ऑफ स्केयर्ड टू यूज़ इट, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ अ ब्राउन लिप लाइनर टू प्ले सेफ. So lip liner is done, and look at how bright it is. I'm scared to use it on my face. So bro, that does not look good. It looks like orange. It's too orange on my face. It doesn't look good at all. Not my red. Not my red. भाई मैंने इतनी कोशिश कर ली थी इस पॉइंट पे, इसको मैट बना के कुछ करके, बट इट डिड नॉट वर्क फॉर मी. सो दिस इज इट फॉर द वीडियो. आई होप यू लाइक्ड इट. क्या बकवास रेड कलर चूज़ किया है भाई मैंने.